Hi guys, I will show you the steps on how to arrange a clothes of a butler services. So first you wanna open the luggage and put first the shoes and make sure the shoes will arrange it properly like this. This one. And next one is put the sleeves or the long sleeve and the t-shirts or any inner shirt that the businessman or any customer that he or he will use. So we're gonna put like this. Make it sure that the clothes will arrange it properly and fit in the luggage. And the next one is this sandals or clothes, t-shirts, any extra t-shirt that the customer will be used. So you're gonna put it like this, fit it at the luggage and make sure that you arrange it. And the next one is the scarf that it will be used if you go into trouble or you feel cold. And I put like this. And next is we're gonna put the pants or slacks or this one. We're gonna put like this, fit in the luggage. Then you can put some clothes here at the top of the pants. So like this. Fill the space. Put here at the side. Also in another side like this. And then this tail of the pants, you can fold it and cover it with the t-shirts or the clothes of that can be used by customers or this. Okay. And you're gonna lock it by connecting it the lock. This one. Make sure that we fit. Okay, so let's go to the other side of the luggage. So here you can put the jackets or okay. So in other side, so we're gonna put the leather or the long sleeves. So we're gonna put here and we're gonna fold like this. Put the half of the leather or sleeve, long sleeve like this. And fold it half. This and put some other sleeves that the customer will use. So you can put it like this. Just arrange it properly or fit in the luggage space. Okay, this. And the last one is the jacket. So you must close it first, the zipper to the last part. So the last is you can put at the luggage the jacket. So just put like this and fold. Put here at the top. Fold the sleeves of it. Like this. Just make it sure that can be fit at fit in the luggage. So, this. Arrange it. Then fold it. Fold it like this. Then fit in. And lastly, if it's already fit in, all the clothes are already in the luggage, so you can close it. Make sure that no clothes are going out. This. And zip it. Zip it. Okay. That's it. Luggage is ready.